everyone, Sashikal, welcome to my channel. It's really good to be back on YouTube after a long time, and what's better than doing a Steal the Style video? I mean, come on, it's one of my favorite series and it's one of my most loved series as well. Thank you so much for the love and appreciation. Now let's talk about the video. Today's Steal the Style. Let's talk about the actress whom we are going to talk about in today's video. She's a Gujarati girl and you have seen her portraying the characters of Jyot, Madhubala, Naina, and she's coming back with Nandini. I'm talking about Drashti Dhami. The beautiful Drashti Dhami. She's talented, she's a very good dancer, and the media calls her the queen of expressions. So yes, if you want to know more about her secrets, how she looks beautiful and gorgeous both on and off screen, this video is definitely for you. Please keep on watching.
Drashti Dhami drinks a lot of water throughout the day. Drashti's skincare consists of cleansing, scrubbing and moisturizing daily. She has dry skin, so a lot of moisturizing is the key to her skin. She also likes using homemade toner. She is also fond of body massage once in a month. She likes homemade face packs for soft and glowing skin. For her rosy pink lips, she uses a lip balm made from strawberries at home. She loves pampering her skin, so she goes for regular facials. Apart from this, she also likes to go for regular manicure and pedicure. She oils her hair once or twice a week and then leave it overnight before washing. She takes essential oil treatments twice a week to keep her hair smooth and silky. She doesn't like using a flat iron on her hair. To wash her hair, Drashti prefers lukewarm water over cold water. Drashti doesn't like gym very much. She likes walking and yoga. She is also fond of dancing. She doesn't like wearing makeup all the time. As she has dry skin, so she prefers liquid foundation over dry or powder ones. She likes BB creams and concealers over foundation. She is an eyeliner fan and she likes to smudge it. Drashti loves using a lot of kajal for those beautiful eyes. She is fond of golden or glittery eyeshadow with bright lips. On day-to-day basis, she loves a soft pink lipstick. And to complete her look, she loves oceanic fragrances.
So here we come to the end of today's video. After a long time, let me say it, if you have a favorite actress and you want to know her secrets, she could be from the Indian TV industry, Indian cinema or the South Indian cinema, or any of your favorite actress whose secrets you want to know, please write her name in the comments section below. If you like today's video, please give it big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that means a lot. And if you want to get notified with each video that I upload, please press the bell icon next to the subscribe button. That's it. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.